You don't need a fancy course. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a crazy eBay strategy. You just need to get started. I'm gonna break down exactly how to start reselling, step by step, even if you've never sold anything in your life. This is beginner friendly. No fluff, no guru talk, just real steps to make real money. Let's go. Reselling means buying something for cheap and selling it for more. You can start with stuff around your house, thrift stores, clearance aisles. The key? You're turning inventory knowledge into income. Start in your home. Look for unused clothes, old phones or tech, books, games, collectibles, unopened gifts. You don't need to spend money to get started. Just turn clutter into cash. Choose one platform to focus on. eBay for used goods, Facebook Marketplace for local sales, Poshmark for clothes, Mercari for variety. Don't overthink it. Pick one and go. Action beats perfection. Take clean, bright photos, write a clear title, describe the condition honestly, and price it competitively by checking what similar items sold for. Don't wait for perfect. Just list it and start building momentum. That's how you start reselling with no experience, no inventory, no stress. You've got everything you need right now. Drop "found a flip" in the comments if you're ready to flip your first item this week. Hit subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's build this the right way. Flip by flip, dollar by dollar, step by step.